How's it going, motherfuckers? It's your boy, Nature Brain, and we are back here with a new beat setup. I broke my camera last time because I was a little frustrated because of issues, and we're back, and I upgraded this setup. Microphone quality is the microphone quality, and we got the screens. Well, the screen. And today, I'm doing a Cardi beat type beat because I love Cardi beat because yeah, so here we go. And this is what I did because I was trying to go for her yeah, so here we go. I tried to get the crispiness. Alright, so let's break it down. Here I have the drum set. You see, you need all these elements if you want to even come close to Cardi beat type beat. So let's break down the drums one by one. I wanted that club groove, you know, you hear in that kind of music. I make money moves, yeah. You know, you just kind of talk about equality and stuff over that stuff. So, and here we have the bass. Actually, you know, let's do the magma first. This is the magma. It's a synth I developed. It's called pure magma. Actually, you don't want to see that because I don't want people to know how I do it. So here we go. This is pure magma. It's patented synth, so please don't copy that. Thank you. Let's turn it up a little bit. I can't hear it. Yeah, it's better. So let's go on to the bass. Here we go. This is the bass. Here we go. You know, I wanted that club kind of sound, you know. It just kind of punches you in the face and reminds you, you know, of the wage gap. So here we go. Let's play the whole song. Something's kind of missing here. I'm actually kind of pissed because I actually meant to do this earlier. My bad, everyone. Yeah, I master my own beats, so here we go. And that does it. So if you want to sound like Cardi B, it's actually not that hard. Well, you have to put in a little bit of effort, you know, but it goes a long way to show that you care. So leave a like, subscribe, and please don't ask too many questions because I can't answer them. So thank you for watching.